fine del red carpet del film Wild Tales di Adrian Sifron.
Well, yes, of course. By the way, the Three Barrels of Melquiades Estrada is my third movie, and yeah, it's important. As a director and a writer, it's important to have me as an actor. It's particularly beneficial as a producer. Having any three of those jobs makes the fourth one a breeze.
It really was an extraordinary challenge, to say the least. When it was cold, it was freezing. When it was windy, you had sand in your ears and your nose and your mouth and this thick in your hair, and we weren't washing our hair because our characters didn't wash their hair. So the elements, I would say, mostly.
Ma adesso vediamo cosa si fa a Cannes quando si esce dalle proiezioni e dalle sale stampa. Per oggi è tutto, Federica Polidoro dal 67° Festival di Cannes per Art Tribune.